Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to scan QR code on PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the most efficient way to scan a QR code on a PC is by using the built-in camera app in Windows 10 or 11, or by utilizing a web-based QR code scanner. So you can simply go in your App Store or Play Store and download a QR code scanner. So once you have downloaded that particular app, you can simply tap on the Get option and that third-party app will be downloaded on your device. So once it is downloaded, all you need to do is simply open that particular app and give them the permission to access to your camera. So once you have given it a permission to access to your camera, you can now scan QR codes on your PC as well. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting videos like this.